and I am a second-year student for management in the Russian Presidential Academy of National Economy and Public Administration, Kaluga branch. I was born in the sunny city of Tashkent when I moved to Kazan. And now I am 20 years old and I live in Kaluga. In my opinion, I have such traits of character as activity, creativity, responsibility and hard work, of course. I have graduated from the Kazan Social Economic College in the Director of Law in 2014 year. Also, I have been attending many conferences, competitions and forums. One of these forums is Gaidar Forum. Also, I have a lot of experience in teamwork. I am a member of the team Enectus and RISE. This year I had won a prize at an academic competition with a personal project, Help Me to Find. Now I am getting additional education, translator in professional communications. Summer campus is another opportunity to prove myself, to get me new knowledge and meet interesting people and spend some of the benefit for myself. Thank you for your attention.